Assalamualaikum and hi Dr. Ahmad Faris bin Omar. My name is Nurul Ezziaty, Binti Saiful Bahari, and my metric number is 141962. My teammate are Dini, Attia, Binti, Khairul, Rizwan with metric number 141406 and Nabeel bin Zainul with metric number 144018. We are from team 8 with title IOT application in environmental monitoring. What is IOT? IOT is a system that collecting data of the environmental phenomenon and transmit it wirelessly to the cloud to be stored via website or application that installed in their tablet. We are focusing on solid waste because solid waste are useless and hazardous to environmental and human health. That's why we need to manage the solid waste disposal in the right way. There are few problems that we concerns about, which is waste collection does not match the schedules and the public waste sectors cannot detect whether the garbage status is overflowed or not. Next, the problem with the current products, which is the products cannot fully monitor the environment by supervisor because there are a lot of solid waste today, and the waste operation to tour the route for a full bin check is costly and takes a long time to finish. Lastly, the issue about solid waste is from people who do not manage their waste well because they are prefer to open dumping and open burning. So, to solve the problems, we come up with a product that we design with a system that use the ultrasonic beam and wireless sensor network. And its function is to determine the capacity of the waste in the waste container so that it won't be overflowed. And a supervisor can access the data anywhere and everywhere using his tablet, as long as they install the application in their tablet. And by using this product, we can reduce the consumption of fuel and time used by the truck to collect the waste.
So, in this part, I will explain about conceptual design for this project. This project has very smart management service. The system allows waste management authorities to access data anywhere and anytime using phone or laptop. Each user can enter a dashboard and look out the data they need, like the last pickup date, the status of current pickup, or any service alert. Besides that, it also improves environment qualities. This design helps to reduce the consumption of fuel. With field level sensor, company can limit their truck routes only go to the place with the full bin that can reduce pickup up to 50%. This design can avoid pollution from trucks that emitted dangerous gases. Next, this product also shows real-time information. As an example, this design could monitor the performance of the bin. For example, the sensor has no function and a bin is overflowing. With IoT, supervisor can detect and address any issue regarding the bin and do not have to send the staff into the location to figure out how the technology is performing. Another thing is, this product allows companies to redraw those routes and reduce unnecessary trips by using data track bin fullness and pickup potency. As no information comes in, company will tweak the route and changing into more economical. So, how does this design work? The function of the product we can divide into three main contributors. The first contributor is the local authority. He is responsible to add, register, and build the data sensor from ultrasonic sensor at the bin. Authorities are responsible to register, update with stakeholder, and respond to the complaint. The second contributor was the waste collector, who is responsible to pick up waste based on the indicator appear on the map. They will respond each of status of being in their job scope. The last contributor is citizen that will give the feedback by filling in the complaint through online form that are provided. They also can complain about the worker if the worker does not collect the rubbish. This design could make them to access the website and server from everywhere, since this software has been published to the internet.
By using ultrasonic beam and wireless sensor network, this bin can determine the fullness level of waste container. The ultrasonic sensor give more reliable detection when it comes to garbage monitoring system, as it detects the level of garbage bin by emitting the ultrasound, and its reflected ultrasonic will feedback to the ultrasonic sensor, instead of using infrared LED light, which could be malfunction due to exposure of the sun. There are few advantages of using ultrasonic sensor. First, it has an accurate ranging measurement. Number 2, it works well under exposure of the sun. And the third one is it has good performance either inside or outside the room. There are two main components needed for this project. Number 1, of course, the ultrasonic sensor. To be specific, we prefer the ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. It is used to detect the level of the garbage in the container. The target cost for this item is around 30 ringgit Malaysia. Second component is the original Arduino Uno R3. It works as base station to receive and process the data, to smoothen the sensor's value to achieve more reliable and readable data before transferring to the central server. The target cost for this item is around 100 ringgit Malaysia.
Basically, our project is about designing a product to manage the solid waste in a better way. With the new features, we can reduce time and energy use, because every data that solid waste produce can be accessed at any time and everywhere by the supervisor. And our project is also targeting to increase our environmental sustainability for a long term. Our target market are government and private sectors, solid waste services and companies. We are selling our product at starting price, which is 130 ringgit, but we are looking forward for a negotiation with the companies. I think that's all from us, and thank you.